Hello everyone. Welcome. This video demonstrates a special-purpose press machine designed for pressing bearings onto the rotor of a submersible water pump. The machine ensures accurate alignment, controlled pressing, and repeatable assembly results. The machine features a rigid frame construction to minimize deflection during operation. A precision-guided press ram maintains straight axial movement, which is essential for correct bearing installation. A custom rotor holding fixture securely supports the rotor and aligns the shaft with the press axis. The bearing pressing tool is designed to apply load only on the inner race, protecting the bearing during pressing. The machine is PLC operated, ensuring consistent and repeatable press cycles. The pressing stroke is controlled using adjustable proximity limit switches. These switches define the press travel and can be set to suit rotors of different lengths, allowing quick changeover between models. The rotor is placed into the fixture, the bearing is positioned, and the press cycle is initiated. The machine applies a smooth and controlled pressing motion, seating the bearing accurately. The press stops automatically at the preset end position, ensuring consistent axial placement for every rotor. This special-purpose press machine improves accuracy, repeatability, and productivity. The result is a precisely assembled rotor, ready for the next stage of submersible pump assembly. Thanks for watching. For queries, customization, or technical details, please contact us using the information provided.